Section 4.1, Example 2. Rewrite the cube root of 48 as a mixed radical. Just as in a previous example, we offer two methods to help rewrite the square root of a number as a mixed radical. We are now going to look at the same two methods to rewrite the cube root of a number as a mixed radical. So instead of using a perfect square, we now have a cube root. So we are going to use our perfect cube list to help us factor 48. So a systematic way of finding the largest perfect cube, we can write down all of our perfect cubes. And if we start trying to find a factor of 48 that is one of those perfect cubes, if we try 27, it is not a whole number. If we try 8, the factor of 8 is 6. So this will give us the largest perfect cube that is a factor of 48. So we rewrite the cube root of 48 is the product. We can break that apart to say 8 times 6. We can rewrite this as the cube root of 8 multiplied by the cube root of 6. The cube root of 8 is 2. And then we have the cube root of 6. So the cube root of 48 is 2 cube root 6. Another method of finding the cube root of 48, or rewriting it as a mixed radical, we can rewrite 48 as a product of its prime factors. We can rewrite 48 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. This time, since we are finding the cube root, 3 factors of 2, the cube root of 3 factors of 2 will give us 2, times the cube root of all the remaining factors, and that will give us 2 times 3, 6. The cube root of 48 is 2 cube root 6.